Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers and students, Assalamu alaikum. It is Computer Science 7, Unit number 1, Hardware Basics Exercise. Question number 6. Describe the parts of a microprocessor. Answer. Parts of microprocessor. Central processing units has following 4 parts: control unit, arithmetic logic unit, registers, clock unit. The control unit directs and controls the activities of the internal and external devices. It interprets the instructions fetched into the computer, determines what data, if any, are needed, where it is stored, where to store the result of the operation, and sends the control signals to the devices involved in the execution of the instructions. Number 2, the arithmetic and logic unit, ALU, is the part where actual computations take place. It consists of circuits which perform arithmetic operations, e.g., addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, over data received from memory and capable to compare numbers. Registers are a temporary memory area inside the CPU. Registers are used for memory addressing, data manipulation, and processing. Some of the registers are general purpose and some are reserved for certain functions. It is a high-speed memory which holds only data for immediate processing and results of this processing. If these results are not needed for the next instruction, they are sent back to the main memory and registers are occupied by the new data used in the text instructions. Number 4. The clock unit regulates the rate at which instructions are executed. It also synchronizes all the various computer components. The faster the clock, the more instructions the CPU or processor can execute per second. The speed or clock rate is usually measured in gigahertz, GHz. Question number 7. What is the difference between the primary and secondary memory? Primary memory, it is called main memory. Secondary memory, it is called auxiliary memory or mass storage. Number 2, primary memory. It holds instructions and data for rapid and direct access. Secondary memory. Number 2, it consists of devices not directly accessible by the CPU. Primary memory. Number 3, primary memory is synonym with RAM. Secondary memory. Number 3, hard drives, flash drives, memory cards, and disks are widely used for secondary storage. Primary memory. Number 4, the input and output of these devices that provides the computer's primary memory is much fast. Number 4, the input and output of these devices that provide the computer's secondary memory is much slower. Primary memory. Number 5, it is a volatile. Secondary memory, it is non-volatile. Primary memory. Number 6, when electrical power is terminated, any data that it contains is lost. Secondary memory, the data is stored with or without electrical power being supplied to the device. Number 7, primary memory. These memory unit includes cache memory, read-only memory, ROM, and PROM. Number 7. Magnetic technology devices, i.e., hard drives, floppy disks, and tapes, etc., have this read write capability. Number 8. Primary memory. These chips are non-volatile and cannot be purged to store something else once it has been used. Secondary memory. Number 8. Some mass storage devices can only read data as CD-ROM. Number 9. Primary memory. PROM. Programmable read-only memory is a type of ROM. Number 9. Secondary memory. CD-ROMs utilize optic technology. Number 10. Primary memory. Blank PROM chips can be coded with the help of a tool known as a programmer. ROM means read-only memory. Number 10. CD-ROM. CD-RW is newer optical technologies can both read and write information like magnetic storage devices. CD-RW means compact disc rewritable. Question number 8. How many types of secondary memory devices you know? Name them. Types of secondary memory devices. There are 4 types of secondary memory devices. Number 1. Optical discs. It is also known as optical storage devices, i.e., number 1. CDs, number 2. DVDs, number 3. Blu-ray discs. Number 2. Memory cards. Solid state storage devices such as USB, memory sticks, etc. Number 3. Floppy disks. These are absolute now. Number 4. Magnetic tapes or magnetic storage devices such as hard disk drives.